Welcome back to Dream Home. I'm so glad you're here. Today we are slowing down, taking a moment to appreciate the quiet beauty in the refined, the graceful, and the timeless. This episode is all about elegance with soul, the kind of classic home decor that does not follow trends but gently honors tradition, craftsmanship, and warmth. In a world of fast makeovers and fleeting styles, classic decor invites us to pause, to return to the basics, to rediscover charm and elegance in the everyday. A delicate wall sconce that cast a golden glow at dusk, a linen curtain that dances with the breeze, an old armchair, its arms softened by the years of use. These pieces don't demand attention, they quietly earn it. There's a certain peace that comes from a room where everything feels just right. Not perfect, not styled, just right. A well made bed with layers of soft textures, a lamp that brings warmth to the corner, a vase of golden blooms placed without effort yet full of grace. Sometimes it's the most unexpected spaces that whisper elegance. A narrow hallway lined with art, a vintage rug beneath your feet, a soft bench that invites a moment of stillness. Decorating in a classic style means making space for memories. It means choosing with care. It's about honoring the old, blending it with the new, and creating something entirely yours. Not loud, not flashy, just meaningful. Let this video be a gentle reminder that beauty does not always have to be bold, that calm, quiet, and classic can be just as stunning. As you watch, take what stirs your heart and leave the rest behind because your home should reflect you, your pace, your values, your story. Thank you for spending this time with me on Dream Home. If this brought you peace or inspiration, I'd love to hear it in the comments below. Until next time, keep finding beauty in the still moments.